details. I need judge. Eerie. I don't know, something with a lot of
Shell is on the top shelf.
Thanks. Initiate spin. Spin it.
Yeah, I guess that sounds safe.
Activating hyper mode. Oh, Sonic here.
Sonic, did you return the book I lent you to the library?
Not yet? Hey, yet?
It's due. If you don't return it on time, I'll have to feed.
Slaps, not a problem. Problem. Got it.
Nice. But why'd you bring it back here instead of taking it straight to the library?
Because
Sus!
plenty of time, not a problem.
No,
Says, I'll get this to the library in 10 seconds. Then I'll have sex with a chili dog. Still, it's... No, please. After you, you're
sus. Did I ever tell you about the sauce?
Whoa. Well, good luck with that. Don't mind if I do.
Actually, there are so many choices. Should I have mad burger, cheese, Oreo? Should I have a hot dog with sauce, or a hot dog with mustard, or a hot dog with
How about a chili dog?
chili?
Would you like something to drink with that?
Something to drink. So what? Or a shish, or... You cut in front of Motobug. You cut twice. In the little room.
Sorry, Egghead.
No, please. Your sauce. You did.
Well, I am in kind of a hurry. Thanks, Egghead. One chili dog, please.
I'd like a chili dog with extra red.
Sorry, we're sold out. Want a bite?
No! I want.
Just alien. You're welcome!
Plenty of time.
Sis, you ruined my chili dog.
Okay, fucker, can you give me a second?
I'll shake myself.
All this shit over a chili dog?
Besides, I'm sure you'll think twice about cutting in line next time.
Squeaks.